Welcome to 2045 Leeds Lane, located in the highly sought-after neighborhood of Avondale Park, right here in Bellevue. The primary suite, it's a true retreat with a tiled shower and double vanities. Don't forget the amazing amenities. There are lush green spaces, a playground, and 3 pools. And the pools are just a short walk down the street. Are you ready to see more? Call your Nashville Realtor today.